everyone, welcome to my channel, The Life's Way, The Tulip's Way. Hope you all are fine. So today I came with a home remedy for glowing skin. As we all know, today is a time of Korean glass skin. Everybody is obsessed with the Korean glass skin. Everybody wants their skin to be look like a glass, like it will shine, it will reflect. So yes, I came up with a home remedy which will simply look like a glass skin. You don't need to go for a parlor, you don't need to go anywhere to get that beautiful skin of yours. You can achieve it only at home, just with the 3 ingredients. Yes, trust me, just with the 3 ingredients. Any office goer girls, any women, whoever, they can really prepare this mask very easily at home. Exactly. You can easily prepare it at home very easily. And just apply it on your face and store that same in the refrigerator. And you can use it for a longer time. So I gave so many details, but let's move on to how to prepare the mask, and I will let you know what are the ingredients I'm using to prepare this mask. So stay tuned, watch this video, like my video, please do subscribe and like and share. Thank you so much. Love you lots. So here I'm preparing the mask. For the mask we need, this is a flaxseed gel, जिसको हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं अलसी के बीज. ये है flaxseed gel, ये है dash of lime lemon, और ये है हमारा चावल का आटा या फिर राइस फ्लावर. So in this container, I'm going to add this flaxseed gel first. You can see I'm adding the flaxseed gel. I already extracted the gel from those flaxseeds. There is no rocket science in extracting the gel from flaxseed. Just boil the flaxseed well, and when it gets boiled and reduced to half, just strain the whole flaxseed gel from it. Strain it with a piece of cloth, a fresh piece of cloth, and just strain it and then make a gel-like structure. This is a gel. So here I took this flaxseed gel. In this flaxseed gel, I will mix a few drops of lemon into it. And here I am mixing the star ingredient, that is a rice flour. Rice flour is for brightening, is for tightening, and also for deep cleansing of your skin. So here I am using rice flour. Now mix. Just with the 3 ingredients, you will get a glassy glow on your face. The Korean glass glow. Mix it. Mix it so well so that the consistency will change into a paste-like structure. There will be no lumps or nothing will be there. So make sure to mix it well. Here you can see the texture would be like this. This should be the texture. So that when you just put that mask on your skin, this whole mask will stick to your skin, and when you dry it out, you can easily wash it off with just a normal water. No warm water, nothing. Just a normal water, the normal cold water. Just wash your face with it and see the glow instantly. See, here is the consistency. I'm showing it to you. Again, this is the consistency should be. So I hope you can see this is my clear skin, and now I'm applying the mask. I prefer my hands over any brush or anything, so I'm just apply it all over my face. Just rub it like a circle wise, because here we added the rice flour. Rice flour is very helpful in cleansing your skin from inside. So just do this. Apply it all over your skin. And yes, there is a safety or a caution, because we are using rice flour in it. So please stay away from your eyes. You should not put that on your eye socket area. Yes, till this much. That's it. I left this part because it will get shrunken. The whole mask will get shrunken so easily. If you are using only the flaxseed gel, that is okay. You can put it in your eye socket area also. But as I have added the rice flour in it, so definitely I avoided my eye area. You can see I'm not adding anything in my eye area, eye socket area. I left that place. Apply gently all over your face. If needed, let the mask dry and then put again if it is required, or if you need ki okay fine, I have more marks in my hand so I can use it the whole time. So you can use it, there is no problem. You can layer this mask or just put like it a single layer only, which I am applying a single layer right now. I am only applying a single layered mask. You can apply multi-layer or double layer, whatever you want to wish, you can. It's up to you. Cover your lip area properly, especially the smile lines, because this pack is also act as anti-aging pack, because as we all know, flaxseed contain omega-3 fatty acids, which is very helpful for our skin. So here I am applying it. Cover this area too. Especially the nose area, your smile lines. But yes, don't cover your crow feet around your eyes, because this contains rice flour. Just cover like that if you need it. As I'm showing it to you, so please apply it on your neck also. Your neck also needs the same skincare what your face needed. So please don't forget to do this on your neck also. I'm just applying it to show you. Like this, okay? So leave it for half an hour and then we will see what kind of glow we can achieve. The glass skin. So here you can see I washed my face completely after using that mask. You can see there is no trace of any makeup on my skin, and here you can see the exact glow. I hope you all can see this glow. Just look at this. This is the bare skin. I'm showing you the bare skin. So here is your glow after using this mask. Thank you so much for watching this video, and for further notification, please put or press on the bell icon which is showing in my video, please put that bell icon on so that whenever I posted any video related to the skincare or the home remedies, you will surely get the notification out of it. So please do subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you so much. Love you all.